Welcome to MobiAgents AI, the platform that allows you to create your own fully functional websites into any Android and iOS mobile apps instantly. You can build mobile apps not only for yourself, but also for business owners. So let's dive in. This is your MobiAgents AI dashboard, the central place where you design apps, find clients, track contacts, and run your mobile app agency. At the top right, you'll find your main shortcuts, mobile app, business finder, and contact. These give you instant access to building apps, finding clients, and managing your leads. And the right side, you have quick links for subscription, bonuses, training, and support. Everything you need at your fingertips. Just below, the Join Now section gives you access to special training on how to create apps and generate up to $5,000 a month using this platform. On the left, you'll find the complete navigation menu, dashboard, mobile app, business finder, contact, agency, and settings, all neatly organized so you can move through features with ease. Now, let's start building your app. Click on Mobile App, then click Create App. Here you'll see 3 powerful creation methods. Create using AI. Describe your app and AI builds it automatically. Create from scratch. Total freedom to design everything manually. Templates. Choose from beautiful pre-built layouts across multiple niches. Let's begin with the most powerful option, Create using AI. You just need to enter 2 things. A project name such as Dubai Fashion Store app or USA Real Estate app, and an AI prompt where you describe your app in detail. For example, create a modern shopping app for a Dubai-based clothing store with product categories, contact page, clean layout, and WhatsApp button. Once done, click Generate App with AI, and in just a few seconds, your entire app is automatically created. No coding, no design work, just pure AI magic. Our homepage, sections, buttons, images, text, everything appears instantly, fully editable. You can modify headlines, descriptions, colors, images, links, business hours, call buttons. Every element of your mobile app can be customized exactly how you want. When your design is ready, click Publish App at the top. A pop-up will appear. Now, enter your app name, short name, upload your icons, and hit Publish. Your mobile app goes live instantly, ready to install worldwide. After publishing, you will see your app URL for sharing, the publish date, last update details, a QR code for instant scanning, and a live preview of your mobile app inside a smartphone frame. You can click Edit to modify the app or preview to test it. Now let's move to the second method, Create from scratch. Enter your project name, continue, and a full blank editor opens. Here you can build your app manually with total creative freedom. Add pages, drag and drop sections, insert images, edit text, design layouts, change colors, add navigation menus, embed links, and structure your app from the ground up, just like a professional mobile app builder. When finished, click Publish, and your custom app goes live instantly. Now the third method, Templates. Enter your project name, choose from over 150 ready-made templates across niches like shopping, restaurants, real estate, fitness, coaching, services, and more. Click Generate with AI, and a complete ready-made app opens. Customize the template by editing text, images, buttons, colors, forms. Now that you know how to build apps using AI, Scratch, and templates, the important question comes again. Where do you get clients? Let's use the Business Finder feature to find real businesses. Click Business Finder, and you're inside a powerful business discovery tool. Enter any business type such as restaurant, gym, salon, coffee shop, or any local business you want to search. Then enter your location, like Dubai, New York, Los Angeles, Toronto, London, or any city worldwide. Click Search, and within seconds, MobiAgents AI scans that location and displays a full list of real businesses. Businesses without a website are perfect clients for mobile apps. Businesses with websites can still be offered mobile app upgrades. Click Add to List to save them according to your preference. Bar.